Hi guys, in today's video I'm super excited because I'm going to show you how to make up to $2,300 per week. And all you need is a vehicle. I know what you're going to say.
You just want to show us another driving job.
Well, that might be true, but it says on the website that these couriers are making more than the daily drivers. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make this money fast. I'm going to show you the requirements, I'm going to show you the day-to-day expectations, and I'm going to show you how to find these jobs. Guys, in today's video, sit back and relax, take some notes because I'm going to show you how you can make up to $3,000 per week. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience in your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger in today's video. I'm going to show you how you can make up to $3,000 per week. But before we get to the video, guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Guys, I'm super excited about this video because I know that the current state of the economy is not doing so well and people are needing creative ways to make money that's going to hedge the inflation, right? So $2,300 to $3,000 per week is more than enough. That's over $10,000 a month, and this is some legit work. So guys, let's dive straight in. So the first thing I want you to understand that this is an industry called medical courier. So you're going to basically be transporting in medical supplies and pharmaceuticals to different locations. Now, depending on how many miles you work and also depending on the time you actually spending inside the vehicle is going to determine how you're going to get paid, right? But it's a lot of money in these fields. If you have worked Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Uber Eats, anything like that, this is going to be right up your alley. This is going to be similar to something like that, but it's just going to give you an opportunity to make more money by basically delivering services and goods to individuals. So let's dive straight in. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is the requirements, right? So the requirements for this is not that lengthy. Like I said, you don't need no prior experience. It's pretty straightforward. It's the same general information that or requirements that will be had by a Uber Eats or a DoorDash, right? So the requirements is a valid license. You need a clean driver record. In most cases, your car cannot be older than 2004, right? So that's a 20-year car difference. Most people have cars older than that. So I mean, younger than that. So you guys should be fine. Finding the jobs is pretty straightforward. You can go to google.com and put in medical couriers jobs and it will give you the jobs near you. So type in near you and you will see all the medical couriers jobs near you. Now this is probably going to be the easiest way to do this because it is platforms that host these jobs where you can make a substantial amount, a lot of money, or there are independent offices that actually host these jobs as well and you can work for them as well. Now this is going to give you the most variety of options where you're going to be able to see what's in your field and what's in your geographic location, where you be able to have a pinpoint accuracy of what is available in your exact location. All right. Now, if you want to go into a more app-based platform like a Uber Eats or a DoorDash, then you're going to head over to these options as well. So the first option we're going to talk about is called MedZoomer.com, right? So as you can see, say HIPAA certified 1099 couriers make more than the average daily delivery driver. So this is pretty straightforward, guys. You go apply, you get trained, you start driving. Now this specific application is asking for you to be HIPAA certified, and being HIPAA certified is not really that difficult. HIPAA is basically a protocol that protects any person medical information from being transported or transmitted through different parties, right? So a HIPAA violation, not a HIPAA violation, but a HIPAA certification is basically you getting certified in the rules and regulations of how to protect and have integrity when it comes to consumers' medical information. So once you get HIPAA certified, this is going to separate you and it's going to give you a larger window of making more money, right? Why couriers love driving with MedZoomer, advanced routing, earn money driving, flexible hours. Now, I went to the frequently asked questions to see a pinpoint on exactly what they're asking. It's pretty straightforward. To say be at least 25 years or older, have a 2-door or 4-door car made in 2005, have a valid driver's license, vehicle registration, vehicle insurance, have at least 1 year of driving experience in the US, guys. That's pretty straightforward. Now, outside of the 25 years or older, like majority of Americans can qualify for this position, and they asking you, they also say, how do I get paid? I can elect to transfer funds from accumulated from MedZoomer Courier portal to your linked bank account at the time. How did I get paid? Okay, it said how much does it pay in the region? And it pays up to $25 per hour. We allow couriers to deliver multiple orders per route, allowing you to earn more with less downtime. So guys, as you can say, it's an ample of opportunities, and $25 an hour, in my opinion, is more than your traditional DoorDash or Uber driver, depending on the Uber driver and how they deliver them. But I don't think Uber drivers are making $25 an hour, and it's a window in the upper mobility opportunity for you to make more money than this, as from where I'm at, right? The second one is called medicalcouriers.com, right? And it's pretty straightforward as well. A nationwide medical delivery solution designed in California. Medical Couriers is the leading network of medical delivery specialists, over 50 years of experience in the medical specimen transport nationwide. With patient care as our driving force, we deliver nearly 10 million specimens every year with a hand-selected, highly trained fleet of couriers. We are Medical Couriers, the future of medical delivery. So guys, it's pretty straightforward. I think this one is in California, and it's pretty straightforward, just like the other one. Now, I do know that they do service, as you can see, 42 out of the 48 lower contiguous states, and you can basically see that they basically deliver all nationwide. So, and the application process was pretty straightforward as well. I did click on it, and I did notice that on this particular application, you only need to be 18 years or older, so that's good. The application, like I said, as you can see, is pretty straightforward. Now, this section right here interests me the most because it's asking you to put in the expected pay that you are expecting for this position. Guys, I wouldn't put anything less than $25 an hour. Anything less than that, you might put your foot in your mouth and, you know, get something that you're asking for. So in my opinion, I'll put $25 an hour minimum. And as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. What they look for, we're always looking for concise people who share the same no job is too small ethic that guides our company to this day. If you feel that's you, we love to have a conversation. Now, the next one is called CBD Drivers, a popular one as well. And CBD Driver doesn't only specifically work with medical couriers. This is a full job platform. Full driving platform. So like this platform tailored more to a universal driver. So this can be cargo vans, cars, trucks, box trucks, flatbeds, things like that. This jobs interests me the most. Delivery driver, $2,300 weekly with high top cargo van. It's not a medical courier, but it does pay a lot. But what interests me about this job is that you are driving 475 miles per day. You're making 13 stops from 6 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. If this interests you. But this CBD driver is geographical. It's based on your geographical location. So it's based on where you're currently residing, and every job is going to be different. And also, guys, you have to understand that this type of industry are primarily based on 1099 partnerships. So you're basically are your own entity and you are a self-employer. Majority of them, majority of these jobs are freelance jobs, and they work off a 1099 structure. If you do want to expand your horizon, you can go to CBD Driver and look at other options in the driving field outside of just a medical courier. All right, let's get back to the medical couriers, and this is called reliable couriers. Now this is another popular one. I didn't really see anything that caught my eye on this one, honestly, but a lot of people still use it and it still have the same structures, right? So you are seeing multiple opportunities to actually get directly into this field. You can go to google.com, you can go to one of these applications, and you can branch off and go to CBD Driver and find a job in your area that's not even tailored to being a medical courier. So as you can see, guys, it's a lot of opportunity to make a lot of money outside of just Uber Eats and DoorDashing. You can make a good income to just basically doing what majority of people do anyway, which is DoorDashing and things like that. You being HIPAA certified is going to, separate you from the majority, and it's also going to give you an opportunity to make more money than a traditional medical courier. Okay, so the day-to-day expectations is basically you are going to download an app just like Uber Eats. That app is going to give you some tracking information. You're going to take a picture of whatever you are delivering and you're going to upload it to the app, and the app is going to basically give you a drop-off location, and it works just like a Uber Eats type of situation. Now if you do go on a route that is from a actual office, I don't know if they're going to have an application. They might give you some type of, I don't know, they're going to give you an application. They're going to give you an application. This is going to be their specific application. So now also keep in mind some extra tips that I want to give you guys. Now what I have heard from friends that's in this field is that it's better to have a tote to carry and organize all your medical supplies, and to also plan out your route and get a regular route continuously, so you won't have to worry about any type of surprises when it comes to your route in your day-to-day life. But guys, this is straightforward. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to show you how to go on CBD Driver and find the best jobs. Go in the comment section and type in driver, and I will show you a special video on how to get the best routes and get the best jobs in these fields. Guys, if you found any of this information helpful, please, like I said, like and subscribe to the video. It allows YouTube to help us push this content. Always like and subscribe and share it with anyone that you know that have driving experience and is looking for work. Guys, let me know in the comment section how you feel about this. Have you tried any of these before? And I will meet you there. Guys, if you need anything done on your credit report, go to creditapprove.com, sign up there, and you can get all your collections, charge off, late payments, medical bills, anything negative removed from there. Guys, this video is going to help a lot of people. Share it to all your friends and family, and until next time, guys, until next time, take care of your credit, take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.